Welcome back to Biology by Shravanti. Today we are going to discuss about reproduction. Under that, how are identical twins and non-identical twins are born. So let us see the topic. Before going to the topic, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. For further notification, please click on the bell icon. So let us go into the topic. First, coming for the identical twins. As we have discussed in the previous video, the fertilization, how do the fertilization takes place by the process, when the ovum is released, the sperm gets entered into the uterus of the female reproductive system and reaches in the fallopian tube. When it reaches in the fallopian tube, it fuses with the ovum which is present in the fallopian tube. Once the fertilization takes place, that after that we term it as the zygote. Now this zygote, because of the meiotic division, it gets converted into embryo, and this embryo come or enter into the uterus and attached to the uterine wall. We call it as the implantation process. Now this embryo which is formed developed into a new baby. So at that time, in the case of the identical twin, so you can see in the figure given below. Okay, so the ovum and one sperm entered into an ovum. Okay, so zygote is formed because of the meiotic division. During the embryonic stage, as the zygote form, this single egg splits into two. That means two identical twins are born. So single zygote or single embryo, within a single embryo itself, only one sperm is entered, which is carrying the chromosome which is of the sex. It may be the X or it may be the Y. It gets fused with the ovum which is present inside, carrying the XX chromosome. So if the sperm carry Y chromosome, the baby is considered as a baby boy. If a sperm carries X chromosome, we consider it as a baby girl. Okay, right? So single sperm has entered, and while the zygote or embryo formation, this embryo splits into two, which leads to the two identical twins. The sex may be the same, and the genes share all of they will be identical, and single placenta is shared for the both the babies. So single placenta is shared for both the babies. So this is a case of the identical twins. While coming for the dizygotic or we can call it as a non-identical twins. So in this case, the two ovums are released. Actually, the one ovum is only released at every month, but in some exception cases, the two ovaries may release from the ovum is released from the ovaries. So in this case, the two sperms get attached or fuses, and two zygotes are formed, which leads to the two embryos, and these two embryos lead to the two babies or twins are born. So two separate eggs may carry, and two separate sperms may carry. One sperm may carry X chromosome, and other sperm may carry the Y chromosome, or it may carry X chromosome also. So the option is, and when we see about the law of segregation, so any one factor is passed to the next generation, right? So according to that, the baby born will have separate placenta. Why? Because separate embryo formation, so separate form, but placenta is formed, but here the sex may be same or may not be same. That is depending upon the sperm which is carrying the chromosome related to the sex of the baby. So this is about the dizygotic twins or non-identical twins. So thank you for this session. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.